take this one from the TOP. That's right. Hey, 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 hey. Ofie Kwanso with the man, just 1 kwaku jesi anwumi so. Ede onyame ase de ye bebre no ama no. Na me de ama na wie yi. De aka no me de ama Adom FM atiefo. Ene Adom praise. Omanfo. Adom praise sponsors. Patrons outdoor buy nyina. Service providers outdoor nyina. Asida bebre. Ena yede elma mo. De yesra ne se nyame onkoso na onhye obibia. Enam Adom praise out ba binti. De wo hwe anim kwan fi awurade nchen bia na ofan dom. Wa wo yi kakra e de support to sa adwumadie. Nyame to nhye nsuo ngu so. Oma wonya emoho bebre. Wa do sika to ticket. Awurade ma so nhia no emra wo nchen bebre. Me kan omo na penny free for. The blessing is not coming to you. It is going to the person who bought it for you. Almost so do mo ho den yo mo anu anyam ta adwumade na chi. Nyame onhia mu nyina e wo kwan sonko so. This house na na ma awurade awie no. Na ye say dey awurade ase. For life. Yes, because enye na ete ase. Na ye ne ebinumu a na ese ekodi weekend. But sabre omo nkan ye ho biegu. Enti say ye de ye gusu te ase. Na ye gusu din adwumadie ye koye ba. Ese say ye dana se. Na ye kase papa waseda eye bebre. Dodo na na tutututu akwan. Mi say na me kan ho. Baby amene na pa me dia be piano. Nyame. We dia on. Me pese me fire. Say na bibi am na me fire sa pesa pena eyama cheze direction no. Baby e be fa no. Because me pese etiefo bamu awie yon. Na omu furu omu nyina na omu da awurade ase. It me pese me de fire no be call the other side ho. But kakra me sra ne se Ghana for some kom kotodwam na mo bompire. Aya mo bompire se. Se bibi boni bia na sa ho kire bia de bia che se. Edi inconvenience bia be babrabo mu bia no. Se besi anyame mane nko omo a eye responsible say so mo hwe sa de no ma anka etimi prevent sa de. Nyame mom en suffer from sa mess no mo create. Because ya say ye ti omamu. Na enipa bi mu hono mo ye tu omoka. Ya taxi ye tu ye tu ya na ye tu omoka. Na ye di nyuma bia hye mo sa se so mtimi di udwuma ye na so mo nye na ebetimi e de how ene chese ema bebre aba manfo akwan metroka bia aka na nya akwanhia all because of pothole na me ka say me boa Wa ni meka oba na be pie multimedia ni mu na be hu se ka ni su front tire no sa donut tire ni bi na show tire ne rim ni na bang na car no di manim no ono ko wura the same portal nyame nko anka me so ko wura bu bi ahwim gba me se ka na me mo mika hey afem ko hwa me so me di afem te papa enti na me see na nadwena afem ko hwe ba bi ade na amana pa in the middle of the road and I ask myself why nin crofwanti and pennyfoot TV to no papa no kono basa they just don't care oh nti rade a men come side ho no ne doba bi pa na nkor ne ka kwa na nka giren na fe omo huhia se so omo ye dano na meka street light bi a ade na bu efiri so na aka wire kakra bi light na kasa sense ona from abo na eto adonku na mso wuti anye ye na oduru ase ona se etihwe wa pompom ana bo ka me point no be send me message say I am praying that that thing will fall on a minister so that quickly they will attend to all the rest. Oh my enti empire na ese ebo na nyame boy because crofo dey home to so there they be there dokron kwa abi they don't care about us that one we dey say efa no nto nche ne enko ani drum so eno na gusu krakra mu ade abedu ba bi adu yes anka yawu Cindy Thompson. She was amazing last Friday at Adom Praise. I don't know me fast with the amount of kwaba. At the about Ofie Kwanso Median so Adom 106.3 FM. A Monday, the 9th of September 2019. Good afternoon. Welcome to your own show. From a can be share radioati. From another radiasi. It's answer on you at the 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Friend Danyamiase. Offendi kind. I will feel Kwanso so ya two in near Radia ye. The friend Jerry Justice. MNJ say we know a share. As come up producers, no Papa Bills, African. Now not be D there is in the building, y'all. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
If I try for say,
Emmanuel.
Hey, Mr. Nobody.
No, Emmanuel, Mr. Nobody.
Hey. And your cousin is a Emmanuel.
Okay.
Anyway, okay,
Mr. Nyamia say me by the pastor senior as the Dan Kennedy. The industry and the best friend in the industry. Open Lorinsa or what I do. Let me tell me boss back to the browser. Okay.
You African info before I. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Patro Frost Eminiaba.
Matcha from Preslau.
Preslau Patro Yetio, Denyamiasi.
Me the radius suit. So it's me a share, so me name a bussy and name a madam. And name me down for any who brother or bad them in Nama to make chat week way mo. The radius will not be free.
Amen. Amen. Don't swass a pass of prayer. If I try focus praise touch, I have fatwa tadeno. Not tadianina. When you can see there, no chest and says all life. See Cromwell Yasha. Yes. What the toe shirts and that judgina come on. That Jan nice fragrance was so future baby obions and pa. Wouldn't dear crop. A dog's whom to spray a chance and a son. And you can say material and yeah that not the feco goose now to crown amania sign mono by force. Yes, no one so yet available shops and stores and supermarkets out on in feco spray starch or see Lucky Sharp. We another quality product. Yeah, if it's Samara Company Limited. Next call, hello, good afternoon. Sorry. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Patrick Frost saying.
From Kobe because of the Chama.
All right, Patrick, it's you.
I'm at the party and I don't play to baby to the next year you go here. That better is that would use the Uber Chama. Well, almost the whole Chama. 50 committee 4 back passer to come tonight. I'm 1 year almost done walk. It's almost almost the whole Chama. Who come tonight as I walk it to also give way to do one almost the way go to the 1 year. No, when I'm one side car back when I'm a car back when I'm why we mistake up a wood tree a dinner car. Yeah? It's also almost now.
You. Got it? Yeah, that's it. And I'm going to say, I'm in person because, oh, a problem. And you can boss a pair. Who's a man for baby breed about? And you, road signs across what? Boy. What then can one in your now, they're museum for Muzan. Now come out caution drivers because. I mean, just imagine that one smooth road. So now, so that's when I walk, and then she see when him to show say, "Be oh approach baby." I feel better at once and we just him drain. Ade, person who come ni back can answer there. You're fine. My main come for Mega Boom insecticide spray amount. Shedino so Mega Boom. When you spray and say for and then tuntum na I say what to bomb what to boom. One time at twice one just a way me unya me so boom. Tina friend Mega Boom. Yes, Mega Boom. Insecticide spray. Tuntum so no basa. Now we no dey tia no say. Ne bo anya din. Na ya making sure say e available market baby ah. The shops na ya dey baby abeko bia no. Mega Boom. Insecticide spray available. Aside mosquitoes no. All other flying and crawling insects are who don't need no. E ko mu nyina one time. Now why you free? Me patcho say open dodo ana tufo mo frɛ 0543 Yem fan foforo 0544 343 064 We in the market ne kopa anti wo frɛ na akɔgye bi shop no mu a ba ju sika ntem on the patcho no afa 0246 373 711 0246 373 711. You can also visit our Facebook page. Mega Boom Insecticide Spray. Mega Boom Insecticide Spray. What's it, Madakra? Madakra. I do amazing. Don't tell me why. Madakra. Yeah, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patrick Frost and Bema.
You're from Patrick.
Yo, Patrick, I call by NTO.
Ah, okay. Battery.
Yami Adom, they are chemi.
I say. From Patrick.
Patrick, it's you.
Yeah, my boy, I'm the radiasi. I'm a busia and a member. And then I'm second boy, 3 months. The radiasi. The nasipa.
Amen.
And admit from Funina, the radias Mama Bravo.
Amen.
Amen.
Yes, you are that's a pass of friend. I mean, sure. All right, the end to us now. Her name is Obapa Christie. Oh, aso. Hey, Obapa party. Yehowa. Mommy, you love him. Can you remix no hair now or the bank crime? You know. Yaji and here we are school fees. Anyways, back to school season. I said, Drusubio. Nene, Guaranteed Trust Bank Ghana Limited. Me check GT Bank. Also, my fee paying, you know. I have called the amount. It is a Wutia admission and I say fees for fresh and continuing students, you know. And they'll bet me in the our brown co banking hall and I say Uncle School premises. Well, I know a bank star 737 hash and I say my GH Pay. So simply download my GH Pay app from your Play Store, App Store. Now I'm making payments with your card or mobile money anytime, anywhere. You'll be receiving an electronically generated receipt here best submit to school home as proof of payment. Where we equally with me call any of our branches nationwide. Now I'm making payment to over 100 schools through our GT Collect platform. So now with GT Bank's convenient payment platforms, you are guaranteed a fast, efficient, and stress-free way to pay fees this season. BBN friend amount. Further details 0302 611 560 and on face 0800 124 000. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Felix Bell, Tiedumedian or Catadoa. Was it thunder go fire those greedy politicians? Anyway, we thank God for your life. Mr. Ofie Kwanso, I want my oil refinery. Tor. I said, Jerry, I am thanking God for my life and how far He has brought me. I also met a very serious accident on the motorway last Friday when returning from Adom praise. You see that thing? That thing? Crap. Happy birthday going out to my mom, Abigail Arthur, aka Mama Abi. Watching what a new plan. You are 50 years old today, and I ask for golden blessings in your golden jubilee from your son, Felix of Adom Newsroom. Your son is a fine gentleman. Yes. My newsroom where one, I'm office for. The newsroom for them, and no more. When you're correct in their minimum. When finds minimum. Felix is one fantastic guy. Eti mommy. Happy 50th anniversary to you. I mean, sure, no, you can say. Madam Abigail Arthur. Mr. Carl Kafui Baka. Ewa Kata. Or say, thank God you made my day. God bless you, Jerry. May God bless you too, sir. Happy birthday going out to Mami Ama Yabua of Dansoman. May you live long in good health. From Charles Nana Debra. Just say Bibi Aboko there. That's how you action, Chapa. I was Mami to check a pan farmer. Africa Diamond Cable Company Limited. Africa Diamond Company Limited. Cable count. Omnia from Signal Cables. And now Omnia Mayan Signal Cables. Africa Diamond Cable Company Limited. Omnia Mayan Signal Cables. Nampacho Signal Cables. Kane pan ubenya Signal Cables ubi papa say ya toa. Just say ya crowd fit techie any of the aba. Na enei ya tinti mufidie na nkasa wo Ghana ha. Na kwhwe equipment na. Which me say yes. Efidie ne ya kama correct pa first class pa. Said the Turkish phone yen pepepe na. Uko ho mo ka Turkish on to kai. Oh, na enu bi na mfidie omode aba. En ya betintim wo tema. Between Tema Technical and GTP. And as I say, you produce a cables no Ghana here. And you confirm fit take him. You understand? Now, and it's what you say. Yeah, yes, our production we were high. They are ballroom ECOWAS. Not just all these countries need on what to cables, papa, at the free Ghana. Ban say you're not just on mining their economy or mining their tumpo. And notice says, I die swim bet me up Bamua. I just say, young Ghana for your dick, I do na cable be a de wiring be a say factory be na wusi or shop be and now fear be any project be ano. You be used to signal cables there na ma konkan. And they Ghana Standards Authority for I mu agiatu Energy Commission for so sa ECOWAS in France was certified say be a dem pepepe certificate be a genuine. Some catch them say na no adam ko the sheda me call special tour railway office wo meet workers near there a bowroom factory. That was the very first time I knew how wires are manufactured, how cables are manufactured. Very, very fantastic. It is our flexible cable, PVC cable, armored cable, and now say data cable, and now conduit cable. Ninja signal cables the enemy. And their papa reason is say they are correct in sizes. Now it lasted longer. Now a sign so you're very affordable as compared to Crawford your man see near their brain. The Jeffom Kakrabiana and Nanesh there be. And also on the board in the year board the phone call. Ube signal cable. Meche Africa Diamond Cable Company Limited. Our Tema Community 7 between Tema Technical and GTP. Open say you didn't come out phrase 0303 309 499. After 050 9040 709. What do I need? All electrical shops in Ghana. What's it open? Signal cables. Signal cable. The nation's cable. Isaac Dankwa Waya Shaman Zane was a good afternoon, Brad Jerry. The good Lord deserve all the praise for the gift of life given unto me and my family. Lord, I will forever bless your holy name. Amen. Greetings going out to my dad, Mr. Daniel Dankwa, Mrs. Millicent Nkrumah. And then Mrs. Rita Usu Champon, Diana Dankwa, and to all my loved ones. And happy birthday going out to Sarah Amwa. Nyameche. May God bless a new age. Amen. You message there, wa papa. And today happens to be the birthday of one beautiful lady by name Grace. Grace Kwanso, the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 1 English Assembly. Enjoy the blessings of the Lord as you celebrate your birthday today. May He answer all your prayers. As you celebrate your birthday today. Happy birthday to you. In the next few minutes, you bet you are somewhere I to your home for. You know, is up and I am Wabwa. I could Paul, ne Silas. Na a dear near crow. Nina, no man in the year. I bet you want some. Weekend wepa Jamase na yasam kitwa. Mr. Felix Minta Intiamwa. Ya dodo na friend Ejaya. Na ye ekoso ewo Jamase. Na nipa pimpim pa. Pi nini nuanom. Ene maame ne abusuafo ni nyina. Mr. Tiamwa nuanom nyina ne abusuani na. So mo daga na ma de hye nyina se. Mo amufia chichichichi ni benche nyina. Ba ye beta mo achi. Fefe kama ema yeja ye papa kwan. Nyame onchira mu nyina. De mo hwere om hu bia no. Nyame enhye mo anamu. Amen. Fancy boko na fe yinti asem wadi tu yonfo na yemfa de aka no ento aso. So, by kind courtesy, Pan-African Savings and Loans, Ofie MTN, and Aroma Insecticide Spray. You trust someone they ate your home for an area Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Right, me patron na somewhere they to your home for no. What Brofokase no asem say. Anything that happens to you in life teaches you a lesson, either positive or negative. Take advantage of those lessons and let them guide you. Tibimu. Anything that happens to you in life teaches you a lesson, either positive or negative. Take advantage of those lessons and let them guide you. Osi we are mu asetena imu obra kwantu imu. Ade bia beto wo bia no. Saa de no e kire wo bibi e ma osuahunu bi. Se ne papa mu ana se ne boni mu. Na de hu hie sese wo ye ne se. Saa de no e ba wa kwan mu a ubesua ade afiri mu. Ade a e ba wa kwan mu abekire wo no emu ani nguso kekekwa. Memfa ne se e atorenchen bi na ato. Enu tu betra ho asu di arewa saa wabra unsua hwi emfiri mu. Ena nipa bi nso ba wa kwan mu ade bi ananka wani na. Obra no ba bi ananka wode wani a che nanka onim se we di nka mma wa kwan mu kra. Ba wato adi obese we di matu ahu. Eno nso no sua bibi wom. Ema masa na enye se nija wo ji wani a numbi ada ji wani na chese saa keke. You need to learn something from it. Eno ene betimi aboa wo. Na watimi ade atoto. Wana motu ho. Wabra aguso a obra kwantu ewutu no. Sebe ye betimi aboa wo. Na watimi apema konkan ye. Enipa bebre enya akwanya akese eba omo akwan mu na nkomo ani na senka sa agina bia no pokro mbeduru ho but ebeto omo akwan mu edu omo fa ne tra sa akeke enei saafo no sa akwanya ni niwo biem obekohwe na obra no ene ni di nyonyonyo obi gina chance he had it all na sa kwa we dey only problem na kwa we no ye we onya it is because though something good came that person's way, but essence once you be bien film no hu kwan obefa so atutu na mo ye enti no ohwere sa de no sa so obi so betimi akon sotwa bim akwamane bim tim the situation here very bad obia owachire bi ahwes akwa de wafamu de we de suahunu kase pa o but obekwohwe bia no nipa akoro nkasa koro wansua hwe amfiri mu enti oguso bo bra ne kɔ nanim na no obetimi amiti similar situation anka based on the atone pen de sesen ko sua firi mu no osua ya anka obetimi hu kwan obefa so akra de asa beto no enso obekwohwe na wanye ne saa na fe abon from na we kra de chese abon asesa kra krofo dwom bekas na kwa pa na so cause situation yeti semu na obi ne kosebu no we na yesen and na wasansan cause adie mu asa amedi na kwa wie ni sei. It is because that person didn't learn anything from that situation or come no. The other way around obi so ebetimi akọ situation bi mu very very good tim se watu ahu se dem di kan no but obetimi asua bibi de afiri mu na watoto ne niam yie ene tu be kohwe no kakra na ne nsa kae no otimi ye na abeye kese hyiren na ye ni onyam hye esanse osua bibi firi mu obi so betimi akote bia anyam very bad situation, terrible one, but obesua the lessons that comes along with it na agadin wa brabo na wobunum enunti going forward no similar situation ba that person is able to detect it na hu kwan on de be fa so aso no se de be ya on sign enko similar situation mu bi mu emu de wen enewo ene wie. This is just to remind you say ye nipa yin ko ade abrabo no enye straight sa eto da emu betimi aye de to de emu betimi aye nyon but se mu ye nyon a den na usua na se mu ye den so a den na usua eno very important. Anything that happens to you in life teaches you a lesson, either positive or negative. Take advantage of those lessons and let them guide you. Nyame enka ho. Then fast that kese Emma, your proud sponsors. Omo boy, Emma, you tease us me. MTN, pa. Ya chese we no. Ene. Unyanya ya na chese bibi ekoyi mo. Na nzo mo adama, omo nyese ye kasa nko a. So why ready nko a de na MTN se me kan cho so no so ready. Isan say ene MTN hitmaker. I will be any moon, and now so man crofo bebre ene. Omo nya adwuma ye omo abe superstars omo imu. Esan e babiem. So are you ready to live your wildest dream? And then MTN Hitmaker Season 8. And then it is finally here. So if you've got the melody of an angel, oh, if you can spit bars like a king, and if you can dance your heart out, then this is your chance. Show us what you've got. Na you kwanya de be faso na bibia ntimi ko ye efama. So just download the MTN Hitmaker app to register now, and then come grab the mic and do your thing. Remember, call for entries ebe closely on the 20th of September. Tima honya ha na fa ho shembi na ebi announce your chance here any why. Live your dream with MTN Hitmaker. You might just become the next music star. We there for you everywhere you go. And one sem no you don't want to say as they do Enfama Roma insecticide spray. Roma insecticide spray. Papa. Yeah, no so unya bia ebo yi na akum tuntum ni ntumu anyina na onso watimi aye free watimi ada ama ho abai wo. Ndika sem ne say udi kum tuntum no na esan ija nice fragrance wo dem wo na why hwehwam ntisa ada ones na de go dem wa say ye the chemical bia be go afi da kora na biem da bi. Roma insecticide spray ntisa kum tuntum ni na ntumu ani na correct na say jan enka hwehwam e wo dem wo de ama na ne coil no e smokeless ne say
what did you see? Na sesi. Ese so munya afidi a omo beka sa agum. Na nka nkofo atimi ate wonka. No munso nyi omo ntoboa. Nanso omo kofa ne he. Omo bekwa akotobi. Ana omo bekwa akohan bi. Ana se omo bekwa akope bi asere. Obo ade dum ye na ade pa bi kye ne a. Wo kyena. Aya. Ena hyiame. Na memfa de siye. Entumonim. Midia ni opani kwa medua metia jabe kufie wablikuma. Makramu.
Era se opani. Enunti na chose nyame ya adom a wokyena. Yebe. Afide asofudi level ena afam. Eyensempi. Yebe hwe de beto aso aba. Paul Silas ne de bre 106.3 FM. Ena wasugusu awutie na enche bia. Ye de irrigated sports so beto aso de ama. Mane nkoso na ya na mom sa bre de.
Freedom. Shut up.
Me too new ya for. Anyway, some know near bear 5 people. Oh, I mean kind freedom. And not shut up.
Freedom.
And not my name is
Shut up.
That's why I hate
freedom.
Obi so betro book ma onye ba hu so ehit. If you ask no sanity.
Freedom.
Hey, freedom. Hey, shatter. And my name is
Shatter.
Ofie Shatawali aba enwa no.
Shatter. My name is Shatter. Freedom.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Freedom. Shut up. Freedom.
Anyway, come on, Jenna.
Shut up.
Oh, client service.
Shut up.
Or multimedia.
Shut up.
It is a muti Ofie Kwanso no mu say your book commercial tin na manda. Hey, Jenna.
Freedom.
The muti show no say me kasa sa me advert sa me mo break that Jenna. Ono ano
Shut up.
Oh my. Jenna boy Juma brutal.
Freedom.
Jerry, I want to thank God for
Shut up.
my life and then that of my family as well. And then my friends. Shouts going out to Eric and Mary of GRA Wager from Dave.
Freedom. Shut up.
Jerry, please help me thank God for preserving my life from the evil one. I'm very grateful to God.
Shut up.
I couldn't make it to Adom Praise,
Shut up.
but all the same, unto him be the glory. Great we have finished Sunday way.
Freedom. Shut up. Freedom. Shut up.
Jerry, my third daughter,
Shut up.
I a friend of Beverly,
Shut up.
we're doing his 16th birthday.
Shut up. My name is Shut up.
So a happy birthday, Uncle Emmanuel.
Freedom.
Though belated,
Freedom.
from her mom, Evelino, the unbreakable.
Shut up.
I feel big sister,
up.
Jessica, Christabel, and then kid brother,
Freedom.
Damien.
Freedom. Shut
I
up.
hope they didn't from France,
Shut up.
Strasbourg.
Shut up.
May the good Lord bless her new age. The message here says we love her so much.
Freedom.
Yeah.
Freedom. Shut up, 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 shut up.
Anyway, pie, bopa, na bedi de pie, jina floor.
Freedom,
Massa.
freedom. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Freedom, freedom, freedom.
Kwame Ketri on Twitter says, Brady, next week, Tuesday, that's the 17th of September, will be my birthday. And I want to thank God for his immeasurable mercies.
Freedom.
Nice one. A happy birthday in advance to you, bro.
Freedom.
Equiapin brother also says, please, my Thanksgiving is Psalm 150. Secondly, I want to say a very big thank you to the Ofie Kwanso crew. God bless you guys so much.
My name is
Isaac Dankwa GH also says, Brady, I'm enjoying the show. Indeed, Ghana is locked down. Keep up the good work you're doing. Greetings going out to Tilly, Diana, Dankwa, and then Paul Wills.
Shut up. Freedom. Freedom. Shut up.
Vivian Lisa Latte. I say good afternoon, Brady.
Freedom.
We are shattering in the house right now. Mon shatter.
Freedom.
To all the SM fans, mon shatter.
Shut up.
Now, if you see something, say something. Men come on to ya boy and yes. So if you see anything suspicious in your community,
Freedom.
please say something.
Freedom.
For a police toll free number now. And no 18555. That is 1855. 18555.
Freedom.
If you see something, I beg, say something.
Freedom. Shut up.
Me patro celebration of his grace Jumedi no. Afibia. Ya de brewo no. Afi we de no so baso. Presence Ministries.
Freedom.
Collaboration with
Shut up.
and this your mama. Okay, anyway, so Presence Ministry. And now Abribia no omo de brain. Now this year no so no. Omo the celebration of his grace no brain. Now when be the 12th edition. It is happening on Sunday the 22nd of September. At one National Theatre.